How you doing? This is Andre again, and our suspension parts for the Range Rover project are finally here. I'm really excited. I know it's been a while. I'm a little bit sick. My voice is shot, but I hope you guys can hear me. So these are the parts right here. In this box, these are the control arms that we ordered in the previous video, the cheap control arms. And let's see if they're actually good. This is the upper arm. Looks good to me, except of this little thing. This is probably for the headlight leveling sensor. It's broken. I don't know if we can transfer it from the other one. Looks like it's removable. So hopefully it's not a big deal. This is the lower arm. Two lower arms actually. They look good to me. All the bushings are good. And if you watched the previous video, we saved a lot of money on these arms. I paid like $300 for all this, which is a bargain. All right, this is the strut right here. You can see I was gonna get a used strut, but the one that I found for $300 was actually from a different model Range Rover, so it didn't fit. So I ended up getting this one. This is a remanufactured one. It's pretty much like brand new, and it comes with a lifetime warranty. And the great thing about it was almost the same price as the used one. So this one was like $350, and the used one was like $300. So $50 more. We got this brand new strut from Airnut. This is the company that makes all kinds of like air struts. They're really good quality. I used them a couple times. I never had a problem. So this is good. And over here, as you can see, we have some small little things that we also need. This is like the brake hose that was cut in our car, ABS sensor, and the tie rods. Tie rods I had to get from the dealer. They were not too expensive, but all these little things we also need for our project. And over here is a little radiator that's broken also. It's brand new. I only paid like $75 for it. I'm surprised, you know, I thought it was going to be way more money, but I found it aftermarket. And yeah, so right now we have everything we need to actually change the suspension in our Range Rover, and hopefully put it in the shop so we can inspect it and see why it doesn't start. So I'm really excited, and I can't wait to start the car. So I'll keep you guys posted, and I'll see you soon. Look at that, the strut is out already. Oh, nice. Senor. A lot of work.
Yeah, but it's okay. We're just making sure everything, you know, everything is nice and perfect, you know.
You don't break anything, right?
And you know, make sure all the parts are put back perfectly, so there is no issues later.
Right. Field operation. Guys, we're making some progress over here. Tie rods and stuff already in. Everything is looking good. And we're having the traditional coffee break, as we always do. There's no work gets done in Eurotech without coffee.
That's right.
Of course, a blueberry muffin. All right. Okay, day number 2. We're almost ready to put in the spindle and the wheel, and put this bad boy in the shop to check why it doesn't start. Hopefully the spindle is okay, because the car was hit pretty hard. It looks alright, but might be bent. We'll find out. Hopefully it's okay. Was a lot of works in here?
Yeah.
took like a couple hours, right? Like three hours.
Well, I had some problems with the bushings. The bushings were stuck in there, so that's why it took me longer.
All right.
But yeah, a few hours.
Getting there. Yeah, nice red caliper.
Yeah.
Alright, check this out guys, it's all done. Our baby, well, not all done, but suspension is done. Came out really nice, see? Senor Henry did a good job on it. The wheel is on, looks good. Now we're gonna lower it and see if we can push it in the shop and try to start it. Sounds weak. Is there gas in it?
Yeah.
Yeah! Our Range Rover is running, guys. Congratulations, Mr. Henry. Changed the fuel lines. This bad boy is running. Nice. Smooth like butter, right?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Alright guys, let's put it on the lift and check how the suspension turned out. Can't believe this bad boy drives already, wow. So nice. It's gonna be ready in no time.